Hey, welcome to Foreigners Life in the Philippines. So we're here at hospital and Taliban. So I rush Rohan to bring here at the hospital because he have a high fever and he is allergic. He is allergic to until now he has high fever. Baby girl. Oh my god. Yeah, it's still hurting my back, but I need to be strong for my son. Thank you. Please like, comment, and subscribe.